The Toyota HiAce has long been a favorite in the van world, renowned for its durability and practicality. It has served as a workhorse for businesses, a blank canvas for aftermarket enthusiasts, and a popular choice for camper van conversions. But now, it's getting a major makeover, one that takes inspiration from the boxy, retro design of the Volkswagen Transporter T3, or the VW bus. Introducing the Vanace, a custom project from AMJ, Automotive Japan, that turns the HiAce into a modern tribute to the T3, the iconic rear-engine van produced by Volkswagen between 1979 and 1992. The new Vanace takes the beloved HiAce and reimagines it with a fully redesigned front end, drawing clear design cues from the Volkswagen T3. While it doesn't adopt the rear-mounted engine of the T3, the Vanace transformation still gives it a retro vibe that's instantly recognizable. The front features a pronounced new bumper add-on, classic halogen headlights, yellow indicators, and a flat hood, while the front fenders are subtly reworked to give the van a more boxy, vintage appearance. The customization kit offers 3 variations to appeal to different tastes. The Vanace Type 1 comes with dual round headlights, reminiscent of the EU spec and JDM spec T3, while the Vanace Type 2 adopts quad headlights with black rocker panels, inspired by South African T3 models. The Vanace Type 3 goes for a North American look, with dual square headlights adding a more angular, bold aesthetic to the van's face. No matter the variation, the result is a van that pays homage to the classic Volkswagen Transporter while keeping the solid practicality of the Toyota HiAce intact. On the exterior, buyers can choose from 10 different paint options, including colors like gunmetal, beige, and a two-tone treatment. For an even more classic touch, chrome hubcaps on steel wheels are available, further enhancing the retro appeal of the Vanace. Inside, the retro-inspired theme continues with seat covers featuring a lattice pattern, available in blue, green, or beige. A vintage 3-spoke steering wheel with a wooden rim adds to the old-school charm, while optional solid wood paneling on the floor and ceiling of the cargo area creates an ideal space for camper van conversions. The Vanace also offers a practical solution for those looking to turn their van into a camper. AMJ offers an optional rooftop tent from the Australian company Darchi, which makes this van a great base for off-the-grid adventures. The interior lighting is modern with LED features, but the overall design is a perfect blend of contemporary and vintage styles. For those who want a functional yet stylish ride, the Vanace is a fantastic option. The starting price for a Vanace ranges between 3.75 million yen to 4.65 million yen, approximately $24,000 to $29,800, depending on the level of customization and the donor Toyota HiAce. This price range offers an affordable way to own a van that blends practicality with a touch of nostalgia. The original Volkswagen T3 is beloved for its design and functionality, particularly among camping enthusiasts. Now, thanks to the Vanace, Toyota HiAce owners can enjoy that same retro vibe while maintaining the reliability and practicality of the HiAce platform. Whether you're into retro styling or looking for a base for your camper conversion, the Vanace brings something new to the table, a modern take on an old classic.